Can you wash a car with only 3 products? What's going on, guys? It's Brandon with KCX USA, and I'm here today to show you the minimalist 3-product setup. And we're gonna wash our van right back here. Got a lot of dirt, got a lot of pollen, just a lot of buildup from sitting outside for so long. It probably hasn't been washed in a year, if I had to guess. And we're gonna see how clean we can get it. For this wash, we're going to use Green Star, we're going to use Active Foam, and we're gonna use ProtectorWax. Now, Green Star first, we're gonna use this for the wheels and tires. We're gonna foam it on at about 10-to-1 for both wheels and tires and pre-wash. Active Foam, we're gonna put in our wheel bucket for some extra lubrication, and we're gonna do our contact wash with this. Active Foam got a pH of about 9.5, so we are gonna have some pretty good cleaning power in there to knock all this buildup off this van. And then we're gonna finish off with ProtectorWax, which is everyone's favorite foam on, rinse off, 3-month protectant. So we're gonna start off by diluting this Green Star 10-to-1 in this foam cannon, and we have about 900 mils of water in there, so we're gonna go about 90 mils of Green Star. Right about there. And that's gonna be for our wheels and tires, and then we're just gonna use what's in there for the pre-wash as well. Give that a swirl. We're ready to go. Next, we're gonna dilute this Active Foam, and I'm gonna do 60 mils of Active Foam in this foam cannon because I like a lot of foam. So right about there. Good to go. In our last foam cannon, we have a little less water. We have about 500 mils of water, and all you need with ProtectorWax for this foam cannon is 10 milliliters. Right there, that's all you need. That's why I got this little baby measuring cup out, all right? Boom. Now it's time to wash the van. Okay, we've got our Green Star, we've got all of our tools in this bucket with some Active Foam in there. Like I said, for some extra, just a little bit of extra lubrication, just better safe than sorry. So let's get this wheel foam down. This wheel's all done. Now let's go do the rest of the wheels. These Spurco wheels in this van were pretty gross. They look good now though. That worked pretty well. Now it's time to pre-wash with this. Do you know what this is? Right, it's the same Green Star we just used on the wheels. It will double as our pre-wash. Good to go. Let's do it. Okay, Green Star's been on there for a couple minutes, just doing its thing, breaking down all that grime and stuff that's on the surface, and we're gonna go ahead and rinse it off. Okay, so, gotta change my glove. New glove, we're good. Okay. Green Star did a lot of the heavy work for us. Took a lot of the grime and buildup and stuff that was just sitting on this thing from sitting at our warehouse for so long. Took a lot of that off. Now, it should be noted that this van is vinyl wrapped, which means 2 things. Which means 1, everything you see us using here is gonna be safe on vinyl. And 2, the reason it looks like it does is because the vinyl is a little faded, a little sun damaged. So I don't think we're gonna be able to get it looking perfect, but the Green Star did a lot of the work for us. The Active Foam's gonna be good, and then we'll get it sealed back up for a couple months with ProtectorWax. So hopefully it should look better, but with faded vinyl, it's not gonna look perfect. And now we're going to contact wash it with the Active Foam. Before we go on to ProtectorWax, we need to talk about water behavior. This car is unprotected, there's nothing on it, and the water is just sitting on it. It's what we professionals call a water blanket. Nothing. Water's not going anywhere. So we're gonna throw ProtectorWax on it, and we're gonna show you what it looks like after. Since ProtectorWax is wet applied, we do need to re-wet the car because we're out here in the sun, and so we need to work quick. We don't usually recommend applying this in the sun and doing stuff like this out in direct sunlight, but sometimes you gotta do what you gotta do. Okay, take a look at what it's doing now. Nice and protected, and we'll get this car dried off and we'll be good to go. Time to dry it off. All right, we're done. As you saw, we went in with Active Foam and ProtectorWax as directed. We use those exactly how you're supposed to use them. Green Star is where we kind of expanded the use cases a little bit. It did get the wheels and tires clean. It does work as a pre-wash. However, the dedicated products for those spots are going to be easier to use and give you better results. Go follow us at Koch Chemie USA on Instagram, KCX USA on TikTok. Subscribe to us right here on YouTube, and we'll see you guys next time. I'm actually surprised I caught that.
That's awesome. Yes, that's the one. That's the one. I was like so surprised. Oh, you actually got it.